Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw USDT TRC20, that's USD on the Trust wallet, on the Tron network, from your Trust wallet to any other exchange platform you might find interesting. Okay, we'll be simply going to our Binance. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be depositing in Binance. So once we've opened up Binance, I'm going to be clicking on a deposit right here. After clicking on deposit, we're going to be depositing USDT. You load it up. It's going to be Tron TRC20. So from here, I'm going to copy its wallet address like so. Wallet address copied. We'll be heading down to Trust Wallet. Don't forget, guys, once you open up Trust Wallet, you're always going to be met with the prompt to input your passcode. Now we're on Trust Wallet. This is my wallet now. A bit of a notice before you make transactions concerning Tron on Trust Wallet. If you have a TRC20 USDT, that's the USDT built on the Tron network, you're going to need Tron as the gas fee. And if you're using USDT ERC20, you're going to need Ethereum to be able to do those transactions. And it goes the same with BEP20 USD, that's Tether USD, that's on the Smart Chain network. You're going to need some Binance Smart Chain. Okay guys, so we're going to be heading over to our USDT on the Tron network, TRC20. Click on send, and we're going to be pasting the wallet address that we just copied from Binance. Once that's done, I'm going to be sending everything. That's max $10.05. You click on continue, and the charge or the network fee is 26 TR Tron. That's approximately $1.64 or $1.64. You click on confirm, and the transaction is going to be pending for now. But if you take note, our USDT is gone already. Okay, here it is. I guess this one with the notification. Okay, the transfer is done, guys. This is it. The transfer minus $10.53, and our Tron is also affected. Yes, it was, if you could remember, it was used as gas fee. Reload, and now we're going to be heading over to our Binance. Once at Binance, we're going to be heading straight to the overview section by simply clicking on this arrow to the right. Once you're there, it's going to show deposit of USDT in process. So this means your crypto transaction is being processed by the admins and moderators of the Binance exchange, or rather by bots. Okay guys, and our deposit was completed successfully. As you can see here, we have about 12 USDT from I think 1.5 or so. Okay, so guys, that's just it. Your USDT would be deposited successfully, as far as you have some Tron available and the rest of that. Thank you for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to transfer your USDT from Trust Wallet to any exchange platform or any financial platform that supports crypto. And thank you.